Right, good evening, challengers. Welcome to Boldest Fit. This is Coach Mugambo, and this is Boldest Fit for one last time. And today is gonna be fun. Today we've got the MVP, most valuable player, a ball of fun, and somebody who's a social media star and also happens to play cricket for RCB and India, and also happens to be a reason why they win. So let's welcome and without wasting further more time on the show. Hi, what's up, Yuzi? Finally, good to see you on. Good to
Finally.
see you on the screen and not on the comments. We did not see you commenting in the last couple of days. Shows that we happened. So we thought we just bring you on and find out why exactly, what exactly you've been up to. So tell me, how's the lockdown treating you, buddy? Before we actually
Its
get to
lockdown
the.
is going good. Just spending time with my family after ages. So quite boring, but it's fine now. Now it's a habit. So sleeping late, waking up late, then doing my workout, then some TikToks. So many things are
Some
there.
tick some TikTok. I think you should remove the word "some" from there. Also, just to add on to that, there's Parthiv who's already started commenting. I'm sure you're expecting a lot of people commenting on today's episode for sure. So Parthiv was asking how many gym sessions last year. So let's start with that
So,
today.
so, so many party Bia. Before the New Zealand tour, I was in Bangalore only NCA for like 1 month. So yeah, I did couple of even New Zealand tour I did.
Okay, so I think Yuzi is doing his workouts. Okay, so another question, Yuzi. Chinnaswamy is a graveyard for bowlers because they get thrashed. But you happen to be like doing wonderful in the home ground. What's the secret sauce if you probably wanna share?
Nothing, जस्ट माइंड मेरा क्लियर रहता है जब भी बॉल डालता हूँ तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. आई नो सिक्सेस ज्यादा लगेंगे पर मेरा जो माइंड में रहता है कि अगर सिक्सेस लग रहे हैं तो साथ साथ मैं विकेट भी लेता रहूँ तो वो
Yes, but I
इजी रहता है. पार्थिव भैया लायर. नो
yes.
पार्थिव भैया, आई एम नॉट लाइंग दिस
Okay,
टाइम.
so आप अभी लॉकडाउन में I'm sure you're making some TikTok videos, but due to those videos, have you got any Bollywood offers yet?
No, it's just for fun. Like I love when people call me cricketer, not a TikToker.
Also, just to add on, somewhere we heard that after the lockdown's done, there's you won't be returning back home for some time, and you just want to travel. So have you decided the places that you want to travel?
uh, I am firstly I will go to Mumbai to meet my friends, even in Delhi, and definitely I will come to Bangalore for sure. That's it, not out of India.
Or out of India? Okay, so you're going to be doing local. Okay, so also knowing the fact that you're very popular amongst the team members, and your name was mentioned in most of the rapid fires, if you actually know about it. So what do you want to say about it? Like, what makes you so popular amongst everybody?
Nothing. I just love to teasing everyone. So मैं एक ऐसा पर्सन हूँ जो खाली बैठ नहीं सकता. कुछ ना कुछ मुझे करते रहना पड़ता है. तो कभी
Okay.
पार्थिव भैया को छेड़ दिया या कभी थोड़ा सा विराट भैया को छेड़ दिया. तो या.
So, but आपको कोई छेड़ता नहीं है अगर if you just want to know like because nobody seems to
नो, जब तीन चार लोग इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं तो फिर मेरी बैंड बजती है.
any
तो
incident
वो
you
चलता
wanna
रहता
any incident you want to share.
है. एक बार हुआ था. हमारा मैच था ऑस्ट्रेलिया के अगेंस्ट.
Okay.
तो विराट भैया तो उस टाइम पैट कमिंस ने पहला बॉल डाला तो पहला बॉल इतना बाउंस हो गया कीपर के बिल्कुल ऐसे गया ऊपर. तो मैं रूम अंदर आया तो अब आई वाज आस्किंग कि किसी का चेस्ट पैड है. तो विराट भैया वाज सिटिंग देयर. तो विराट भैया बोला कह रहे नहीं चेस्ट पैड नहीं तो एक काम कर टॉवल बांध के चला जा. तो वो मुझे इस चीज में मुझे टीज करते रहते हैं क्योंकि वो मैच का पहला ही बॉल था.
Oh, that's damn funny. That's damn funny. Okay, so you know the format of the show because I know for a fact कि आप हर बार आए थे ये show में और you were commenting. So the format remains the same. We've got something called as HIIQ, which is high intensity interval questioning, which is also a rapid fire. That's the best part of the show, as you know, because your names was taken a couple of times in every rapid fire. So even we'll
People
want you to
said,
ask.
people said using one Kannada word. I know only one thing, Ilidra sir.
No, I think you know a couple of more. Like I've seen you speak a lot of other
Yeah,
scenes,
I Google
other
them.
Kannada words. Or you Google, but their pronunciation is pretty nice. So you probably are practicing somewhere. Okay, so
No, I
we've got.
yeah. Yeah,
Yeah,
I
you were
love to,
saying
but
something. Sorry.
it's little bit hard to, some words and also. But I know only one thing. When I would book Uber, I will like Ilidra sir. Then we start Kannada. I go, sir, now my Kannada is gone. You can talk in Hindi or English.
Oh, that's damn funny. Okay, moving on to the second part of the today's show. We've got three exercises that we usually give out to players. So today I thought
Yeah.
I will not come up with an exercise since you are known to be going to the gym regularly and you're known for working out. I want fans to get exercises from you so that I can create a format and I give it to them, and I'll do it for them on your behalf. So, quick three exercises which you love the most, not from the videos you shot, something that you probably want to give and which is doable at home. Don't tell me something that you can't do at home, and
Now,
don't pull my leg
uh,
by giving me
I,
something that I can't do. Three exercises.
right now I just do because I don't have weights here, so I do plank like
Okay,
normal plank and then side plank and
okay,
sit-ups I do and push-ups I do.
okay. So let me make a workout out of it. So I'm gonna
Yeah,
make a combination of a lot of things so that we can come up to what you've done. So usually this is
yeah,
one last time, bold is fit, and this is for you. Okay. So probably
yeah,
we'll do something with plank. So we'll get to a push-up position. We'll go to a push-up and we'll do mountain climbers. We'll do
yeah,
side to side and we'll do a push-up. So basically, what you're gonna do is you're gonna do one push-up, four mountain climbers, four knee to elbows, and then do a push-up again. That's one rep. So you gotta do this for 1 minute. Everybody who's listening to me, this is what the workout is. So what you gotta do is do a push-up, do mountain climbers, and then four, and gotta do that again. And since Yuzi likes to do sit-ups, let's do some sit-ups. So what we can do is we can do some sit-ups where you come up and punch in the air. Does this
yeah.
work, Yuzi?
Yeah,
Are you
it look
happy
nice.
or is it
Yeah, I'm
look?
happy.
Yeah.
I'm happy.
And what are the third exercise you told me?
Side plank, sit-ups,
Okay, we'll do
push-ups, and
something
side
with
plank.
side. Yeah, so we'll do side
Yeah,
plank. Yeah. So one very good exercise is side plank adduction. Works on
yeah,
your glutes. Yeah. So everybody, 30 seconds of all the three exercises. This workout curated by Yuzi. I don't think anybody was allowed to do that on the show. But because you are the guy everybody thinks belong to the gym. So we thought we'd just get this out from you. So are you
even I
ready for
have
the
my
rapid fire?
even I have one record in NCA, planned for 8 minutes 30 seconds.
You planned for 8 minutes, 30 seconds.
Yeah, when I was under 17, under 19, yeah, under 17, yeah, for my
So
under
basically,
NCA under 17.
so what you're doing right now is indirectly telling everybody who thinks that you do not work out, you're just letting
Ye-
them know that you work out.
Yes, and my 2K run is 8 minutes 30 seconds.
Whoa, you're sliding in some bombs. So everybody who thinks that you don't work out, I think this is the moment of surprise for them.
Yeah, it's a
Okay,
hidden
so
talent.
let's. Oh, hidden talent. Very hidden. Nobody knows about it. So I think you should bring it out a little. Let the world know. You should post
Yeah,
a couple of work on your Instagram. You should post a couple of workout videos.
yeah,
I
I will
think
do that.
on your TikTok, maybe. Okay, so let's move on to what we call the rapid fire or the HIIQ. Are you ready? So these are pretty
Yeah,
long questions. I'm going to hold on to my laptop because there are many questions, many questions, Yuti bhai. Are you ready for
yeah,
these?
yeah.
Okay, so Parthiv Patel says he can do 50 push-ups non-stop. Do you agree?
50, 50 I can't, but
Not
30,
you, not
35 I
you.
can.
He,
Parthiv, yeah.
Parthiv,
Parthiv,
yeah, Parthiv,
no, no
yeah.
chance, no chance. Hello, Coach Carter.
Par- Parthiv, are you listening to Yuzi
No
right now?
chance, no
So he
chance.
thinks, so he thinks that you cannot. Okay, so I think you'll have a different conversation with Parthiv when you probably meet him. So now the next question is, Navdeep Saini says that he can beat Umesh Yadav in 100 meters dash. Umesh Yadav says no chance. Who do you think out of the two will win?
They both are, I think, fittest, but I will go with Sani.
Saini? Okay, so because Umesh took the challenge and he was like, he's a state level university champion. So I thought it was important for me to ask that. So Umesh will not be happy about this. ABD or Kohli? Who's the better wingman?
Wow, but both. No controversy question. Both.
Okay, so I'll just make it even more interesting. ABD, Virat or Yuzi? Who's the better wingman?
Yuzi.
Okay. So do you also get a lot of calls from your friends saying that take me along with you for clubbing because you're a good wingman?
Yeah, but when I came to RCB in starting 2 years, like 2014, 15, 16, I did a lot, and but now I
Okay.
stopped because for past 2 years I stopped.
Okay. So now you're going to the gym and working out.
Yes, now I'm doing my gym things a lot because even when in the Indian team or like even I'm at home right now, so I
So I just want to ask you a very generic fitness question. Do you enjoy or do you feel fitness is a part of a profession or you enjoy being fit? Because some people consider fitness to be a part of the profession and they do it to get better at the profession. But some people really enjoy it. It's irrespective of the profession. What is fitness for you?
think for me is fitness is you need fitness like in your if you're playing or you're not playing because वो आपकी बॉडी को हमेशा फिट रखता है और आपके आगे भी काम आता है आप चाहे कोई भी काम करें कोई भी वर्कआउट कोई भी आप वर्क करते हैं चाहे वो आप ऑफिस में हो या ग्राउंड पे हो चाहे आप घर पे हो क्योंकि
Okay.
आपकी बॉडी से ही सब कुछ चलता है तो आई थिंक
Okay. That's a
फिटनेस
great.
को नाउ आई एंजॉय फिटनेस अ लॉट
Okay, that's a great message for a lot of people who think fitness is only for athletes. No, it is for everybody, especially in times like these. You should also try to stay fit. It's because your immunity is going to be good. You are
या
more fitter and mentally also. Okay, so
या
moving on to the next question. What is tougher, fast bowling or spin? Do not consider yourself to be a spinner. Just a generic cricketer question. What's
I
tougher,
think both
spin or
are
fast bowling?
like both are difficult because if you see the बैट्समैन फास्ट बॉलर भाग के एकदम करता है तो आई थिंक दे नीड मोर फिटनेस आई थिंक वो थोड़ा
Okay.
सा टफ है कंपेयर टू स्पिन
Spin comes with a lot of control also, maybe. I don't know
या
because you're the
both are
cricketer, but
very different
okay.
like या
Who's who's your best bowling partner in RCB?
आरसीबी माय बेस्ट बॉलिंग पार्टनर दिस इज अ टफ क्वेश्चन
You have to be honest.
आई
You
थिंक
can't just be diplomatic.
या आई विल गो विद because 5-6 years I'm playing with I can go with Umesh Vyas.
Okay, cool. So
Yeah.
next question: best workout partner. Does anybody want to work out with you? Because I'm sure
I
you'll be
don't think
troubling them. I'm sure you'll be troubling them. You'll be talking non-stop.
I,
You'll be
I love to do with the ABC.
AB sir. Okay, cool. So that's a good answer. But is he gonna be taking your jokes like the way it's supposed to be, or will he just scene zone you
No,
like
he
what
just
it says on WhatsApp?
we both enjoy our time together. That's it.
Yeah, because it's very important if
Yeah,
your workout buddy is serious and if you are the other person is not serious, then the combination is not good.
yeah,
Okay,
that I can that I can do.
yeah. So we asked this question to Saini that one day if he wakes up as Chahal, what workout will he do? And he said running. So now I'm going to ask you the same question. One day when if you wake up as Navdeep, what is the workout that you will do? Will you
I will
work
do
out?
sit-ups. Yeah, I will
You'll do
do.
sit-ups.
I do in the morning like 6:30 before I sleep.
That's funny. This is why I was waiting for this show. I knew this 25-30 minutes
No,
is gonna be
seriously,
one roller coaster.
I sleep in the morning and I finish my workout and I have a breakfast, then I sleep.
Well, a lot of great athletes in the world actually do that. If you actually look at a lot of athletes, they actually work out all night and then they go to sleep. They train in the night. They have sessions like
Yeah,
at
some
3 a.m.,
people
at
do
1
alone.
a.m. And
Some people
yeah,
do luxury alone things.
yeah. So that's a good thing because it's reversing the cycle firstly, and then you need your space, and
Yeah,
you're just doing it for yourself, so it's not for the
yeah,
world. That's a good
yeah.
thing. Yeah, actually, a good point to actually bring it up. So next, what is easier, control leg spin bowling or controlling anger when fielder drops a catch?
I think controlling anger for me is easy because
Tough.
I'm
Yeah,
tough is I think bowling leg spin.
you've had an instant where you've lost your cool on the field, because we don't remember of one, but do you remember of any
Um,
time?
I I will get a little bit angry when batsman hit me six, and after that when I got his wicket, so did aggression come on my face, like you know.
That's aggression. That's not anger. Anger is like
Yeah, I'm very rare, very get
very
you
rare.
know
Yeah, we
very
haven't
rare I
seen it
get
either.
angry. Yeah,
How do you like? I want to know, because this is a lot of it requires a lot of mental strength to control your emotions. So how do you garner that mental strength to not lose your cool on the field? Because it's not that easy to hold emotions back
मेरा
for
तो
somebody
हमेशा
who's so
ऐसे ही रहता है.
expressive. Like,
हाँ, yeah, मेरा तो
yeah, for
हमेशा ऐसे
somebody
ही रहता है
like you.
क्योंकि so we are team players and we are family. So mistake मुझसे भी होता है, catches मुझसे भी छूटते हैं. तो they don't shout on me, they don't get angry. सेम मुझे ही करना चाहिए क्योंकि कोई जान के कैच नहीं छोड़ता है, तो वो
Absolutely.
हो जाता है. तो अगर उस बंदे
Okay.
को फिर आप वापस प्रेशर उसको जब डांटोगे तो वो और डिप्रेशन में जाएगा और उसके माइंड में वो चीज
Okay.
घूमती रहेगी. तो इसलिए
Okay.
आई जस्ट फाइन, लाइक मुझे इतना कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. ठीक है, छूट गया.
Okay, so that I think you will be like the first person somebody needs to talk to after they drop the catch, because you will make their life damn easy, and which is you need somebody like you in the team for sure, like for sure. Okay, now we've got three to four Bollywood dialogues. Which batsman would you want to use this dialogue when you're bowling? Right, these are sledging lines. So
But
basically,
you
कोई
said
batsman का नाम ले.
your voice break. What you said?
Okay, so what I'm trying to say is there are three Bollywood dialogues, very famous dialogues, not very famous, but that Bollywood dialogues that
Mm-hmm.
you'll probably use it on a batsman when you're going to be sledging them, right? So the
Okay,
first one is
okay.
रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं. Which
Oh shit, man! I will tell to Maxwell.
uh, any particular reason for this? Like I'm
Just
very curious to know.
just I got him out so many times, so that's it. And he's very good friend of
Okay.
mine.
Okay, that's so you're being very diplomatic. Okay, next line is मैं मारूंगा तो मर जाएगा. Who would you?
uh, ऐसे सारे सब मुझसे तगड़े तगड़े हैं यार, किसे बोलूं मैं? uh,
One batsman you probably want to
I,
use sledge this. Even it could be on a fun way, like just to have a fun
will
banter. Somebody
I will tell to Rishabh. I will tell to Rishabh Pant.
Rishabh. Okay, nice. हम तुम में इतने छेद कर देंगे कि कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे. This is a dialogue from Dabang movie. I'm sure you've heard it. Who would you want to say
Yeah,
this to?
yeah,
You have to be honest. You have to tell me. I need a name for this.
yeah. I will. यार, अब कोई बैट्समैन माइंड में नहीं आ रहा, सारे तो अपनी टीम में है.
You can use one of their
uh,
names also. Like net में तो होता ही होगा ये. I'm sure you're having fun even when you're
I will
bowling
tell
to them in
to
the net.
Dubey, Shivam Dubey.
Shivam Dubey. Okay. Any particular reason?
उसको थोड़ा छेड़ने में मजा आता है मुझे, स्पेशली जब मुझसे बॉल कर रहा होता हूँ, तो उसे इरिटेट करने में मुझे
Okay.
मजा आता है.
आप कैप्टन साहब को भी इरिटेट करते हो जब आप नेट में बॉलिंग करते हो, या whenever you get a chance to bowl at him?
ये थोड़ा सा बैंटर चलता
How?
रहता है विराट भैया के साथ, क्योंकि मैं हमेशा उन्हें
Okay.
बताता हूँ कि मेरी ये फील्ड है, तो
Okay.
हमें पता भी लग जाता है कि आज ये कौन से मूड में बैटिंग करने वाले हैं.
Okay. Oh,
ज्यादा बैंटर
okay.
तब होता है जब विकेट थोड़ा टर्निंग होता है ना,
Okay.
तब थोड़ा ज्यादा
Cool.
बैंटर होता है.
Okay, so I think with this we are at the end of today's rapid fire. You did pretty
Yeah.
well. I think you were very honest enough and fun enough to give us the answers we wanted to. We didn't want to make it very because I think most of the information you have already given in most of your TikTok videos and Instagram and social media. So we didn't have to like ask you for anything. That's the problem. Life is
Because
not personal at
I
all.
don't hide anything. I don't hide
Yeah, your
anything.
life is not personal at all for us to know any of this. Cool. So, as you know, Yuzi, this is also the last episode for this edition of Bold is Fit. Do not let this lockdown knock you down. And we also do a throwdown at the end of the show. So I'm going to
Yeah.
be showing the exercise that probably would be for the last time for this show for our audience to win a goodie bag. So what everybody has to do right now is just have a look at the exercise that I'm going to be showing. You got to post a video of you doing the exercise on the RCB app, hashtag BoldestFit, and also if you could post it on Instagram, we will be picking up winners and sharing the winners in a day's time. So the exercise goes like this. It's the most toughest one for the entire season because we've got Yuzi Bhai on. We thought we'll choose keep the toughest for the last. Right? It's called clap push up. I'm sure Yuzi, you would have seen this.
Yeah.
Wait, let me just adjust the camera a little. All right, so this is what you got to do.
Uh,
All right, so 45 seconds mein,
I can do with my one hand.
do you want to show us how you do it with one hand? You realize this is a live video.
It's a hidden talent, you know. I will do in the morning and no one watching me.
Oh, 6:30 a.m. So probably next Boldest Fit edition, we'll probably do that. We'll have you come on the show at 6:30 a.m. But so good to have you, Yuzi, and
Same here,
on the
brother.
show.
Same here. It's good
It
to
was
see my family members here. And
yes, so do you want to pick a question up from the comments section? We usually do that at the end, but
yeah,
I
I will
think
try and
any.
search it.
So
Yeah.
let's filter the questions saying that any
Okay.
fitness and lifestyle related or diet related questions you probably want to know from Chahal, guys. I'm going to give you 30 seconds. Quickly type in, Yuzi, just pick one question that you probably want
Yeah, I'm
to
just looking
take
that
an
people
answer.
are making smileys and kisses. I can pick kisses.
I don't want to say anything there.
Still, I'm searching for the questions.
How often do you work out in a week? It's a very normal question. I don't think you should
Oh,
waste a question there.
people telling me when to get married, you see.
That's not a fitness question. But if you want to answer that, you can answer that. That's not a problem. You can
I
take
can
questions,
pick
you can
like
answer.
someone asked me like Suman Goda is like for Canada RCB fans. So it's better I will say something for the fans, RCB fans.
Go for it. That also is
Yeah, I
valid.
just want to
Anything
say
that you
like
probably do.
I played for RCO 6 years and the best thing I love that the atmosphere जो ground में जो रहते हैं चाहे हम हारे या जीते I think the loyalty of the RCB fans are I have no words. They are that much loyal. Even last year we just lost the 6 matches in a row. Even the 7th match the whole stadium is full. So like we can see that and I just love that Bangalore thing. Whenever I go there, I get always the positive vibes. And if we go out for dinner or whatever, the people treat us. It's like we are family. Like that's why. So we never win the trophy, but still, like we always together like a family, no matter what.
Yeah, it's actually it's a very well put across statement by you, Yuzi, that no matter win or lose, we are still a family. We'll always stay a family. We saw the video that was posted on the RCB saying that
Yeah,
the glory is only delayed, but someday we will for sure win the cup, and that will be a great moment. Hope to see you in action soon, Yuzi. I'm sure your
yeah.
fingers are itching to start
Just
bowling
just
also.
stay home till this lockdown. Please don't go out. It's a request.
Okay, UZ is requesting, which means it's gonna be something serious. Guys, stay indoor, work out, watch UZ's videos on TikTok, stay entertained. Stay entertained because there are a lot of people around who's trying to keep you entertained in this difficult times. I'm sure UZ also is doing that. The whole thing that he does is to entertain his fans with cricket or without cricket, and that's a great sign of an entertainer. Thank you, UZ, for being a part of
My
Boldest
pleasure,
Fit
brother.
campaign.
I will see you soon.
We will see you soon on the field, bowling those googlies and getting us the cup someday. And
Yeah,
have a great evening. I
you
think
too,
your
my
day
brother.
just started. I think
Yeah,
your day just started. So you
yeah.
have a wonderful day ahead. Enjoy, do whatever you do. You do it the best, anyways. Good to see you, brother.
Same
And
here,
we'll see
brother.
you again in action. Bye
See you soon,
bye.
brother. Bye.
All right, guys. So here we are at the end of today's show and also the end of the Boldest Fit campaign for this lockdown. So stay tuned for something else that will probably come up in this space. Till then, till then, let's keep doing what we do the best. Stay indoors, stay fit, be happy, look around, and I'm sure there's a lot of things to do. This is Coach Mugambo signing off from Bold is Fit. See you again next time, real soon. Thank you so much for being the part of the entire series. Love you all. Bye bye.